So what we have here is the Amazon Basics monitor mount. As you can see, we have the VESA piece here that attaches to the actual monitor. This piece comes off as well. We have the piece that clamps onto the desk. We have the mount piece with a hole drilled at the bottom just so that the wires can pass through. We have the section that connects from the bottom of the desk into the mount. We have a couple of hardware pieces here. We have an Allen key. And we have the hardware required to mount the actual monitor to the monitor mount. As you can see, I have my 27-inch curved Samsung monitor here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a washer into the mount. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the mount to the monitor with that hardware that was given to me from Amazon. So I've gone ahead and added the 4 screws into the monitor mount. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the mount to the desk. So now I've gone ahead and attached the 3 screws to the mount. And now I've gone ahead and attached the clamp to the mount. Clamped the mount to the desk, as you can see here. And with the desk, I did align it to the right side because the mount sticks out to the middle. I added these 2 clamps here to this mount piece, just so that the wires can be ran through the back of the mount. And now I have secured the mount to the desk, as you can see here. And then I've also added a screw right at the side here, just to further secure the mount. And now I've gone ahead and secured the mount to the monitor, as you can see here. And finally, I've gone ahead and ran my power cables and HDMI cable through the mount and under the desk. After finalizing everything, this is the end result. As you can see, the monitor is completely mounted onto the desk. I can also tilt the monitor very easily with this, adjust the height, and bring it closer to me if needed. Thanks for watching.